how to fix Valorant lag spikes problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just type here background apps, turn off background apps, then go to game mode, settings, turn it on. After that just go to your Riot Games location, your Valorant folder location, and I have Valorant location here, Valorant live, then go to shooter game, binaries, Win64, scroll down until you find Valorant, right click on it, and then click properties, compatibility mode, and here enable those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and click apply and OK, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.